Hey, it's Scott Schubert, and I have been trading Forex for over 15 years. And during that time, I have met thousands of traders who felt that they were completely frustrated to the point of giving up in trading. Many of them had spent thousands of dollars on courses and training products and never made a dime in trading. I have a continuous 12-year history of helping traders to get started in their businesses and showing them how to change what it is that they're doing and change what it is that they're looking at in trading so that they can actually see what works in trading. Many of you who know me know that I have never advocated using any kind of a special software or tools or proprietary indicators or subscribing to signal services or doing trade copying or any of the gimmicks in the Forex trading business that don't help you to actually learn how to trade. If you're an entrepreneur who would like to own your own trading business, or maybe you'd like to get started part-time while you're working at your job. If you've ever felt like trading could be the ideal business for you and you've already invested a lot of time and money, and put in a lot of practice learning how to trade, but you felt like you just weren't able to make it work. If so, I have a treat for you that will brighten your day and give you new hope that perhaps all that time that you put in before wasn't a complete waste of time, but an opportunity for you to learn from your previous mistakes and apply them moving forward to what you're going to discover really does work in trading. I have created a complete professional trading course that is designed to help people to change what it is that they have been doing and discover what really works in trading. And you can enroll in this course today for free just by going to the link below and putting in your name and email. I will also be sending you a live workshop that I recently did demonstrating the 7 keys to identifying market turning points. And these are the things that I actually use myself to identify these turning points, and all the people in our community that you've heard the many testimonials from in the past are using this same method. And I'm going to show it to you step by step for free. So head on over and put your name and email in the link below, and you will be enrolled in this course and you'll start receiving these video trainings immediately. And let's get your trading business back on track with your original goals. So go ahead and sign up for this free training right now, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside, where I'll be glad to help you with anything that you need and answer any questions that you may have.